We are here because of the strike which we commenced on 8th August 2025 up to date. The county government of Kisii was given opportunity to address these issues which have been a long-standing for 5 years, more than 5 years. They didn't appear to negotiate and iron out these issues. That's why it has made nurses to go on strike. Some of the issues which has made the nurses to go on strike, number one, is conversion of universal health coverage nurses to permanent and pensionable terms, implementation of return to work formula 2017, CPA negotiations, shortage of nurses. So our pay minimums are among those issues that we have highlighted.
We have sat twice with the county government to discuss the issues which are on the strike notice. They have failed to implement. First, they were invited by the conciliator 3 times. The county government were invited, but they never came to the meeting. When we came to the meeting that they invited us, they had no agenda. We gave them our demands, but they failed to counter our demands. What they are saying that the return to work formula is outdated. And I want to say that they need to be serious when they have come on the table to negotiate. They should stop jokes. One, there is one man who is misleading them, and I want to quote it here. The county attorney, whom they are depending on decision making, is the one who is derailing the process of negotiations. Other counties, they have done a tremendous job, whereby they have agreed on when to implement. But Kisii County, what they are telling us is about the wage bill, and we hear they do return the money to the national government, which they have failed to use for the Kisii County government. We want to tell our governor like this. The option is to implement the 2017 return to work formula, the SRC, the CPA, and the conversion of UHC to permanent and pensionable. There is nothing we will accept if they cannot implement those things that we have highlighted. In many occasions, we have signed return to work formula, which they have never implemented. So this one, we want to tell you, we will stay at home for a long period until you implement. And we want to tell you, the Kisii County people, they are suffering because of you, not because of nurses. No. And we want to tell you, we will not go back. And anybody who dies, it is because of you, because you have failed to implement what is there.